Hi, Mandy. How are you? I hope everything's going really good. Look, here's my dining room. Isn't it pretty? Ah. Okay, so anyhow, as I promised, I said I would go ahead and do the scarf tutorial for you so you could see what my friend showed me how to do. So does this look familiar? Just like the one I got you? Pretty fun, huh? Okay, so I'm going to have to back up a little bit so that you'll kind of be able to see. But real quick, let me show you. This is the exact same really big one like I got you, okay? So I'm going to get a little bit closer. This is what you do. You take the two ends, okay, the two corners, and basically you're going to tie them in like about that long of an area. This is a pretty big scarf, so we want to tie it a little bit longer, and it'll make sense later why. But then you're going to go like this under, pull your hand all the way to here, and pull that end. So basically, like a little square is what your scarf is going to look like, okay? You're going to take this part, here's your ties over here, you're going to take this part, put it through the tie, and tie those two pieces in a knot, like just a one good knot like that, okay? Now here's that piece that you put in there. You now want to tie these together, okay? Here's that piece again. Just tie it a bunch of times so that you don't have to worry about it coming undone. Nothing fun like a wardrobe malfunction. That's never fun. Even when, because if Kyle's watching, this wouldn't even be a wardrobe malfunction where boobies came out. It would just be a wardrobe malfunction, which would not be cute. Okay, so now this is what you have. Hold on. Of course, I'm all tangled up here. So you have this here, okay? Looks kind of funny. However, you see your little knots right there? When you put this on, you're going to have that go on the inside of your back, okay? So kind of hold it out like this so that you can see, and then turn it around like a little sweater, okay? And then you're just going to have to play with it. You'll kind of see, and of course I'm doing this backwards because I'm, on camera right now, but you will, tuck in your sides. And each time it never comes out like completely perfect. I mean, sometimes it does, but certainly not when you're doing a YouTube video for your friend in DC. But here, you can kind of see what this looks like, okay? It's a little hard to tell all the way. Let me put this down a little bit more too. Okay? But you can totally see how this will look really, really cute with, you could even do it with like a belt or something, like a longer belt, pair of leggings and some boots. I think over the summer it was really cute with like little spaghetti strap tank tops of a matching color of some sort. You'll tuck that in and tie that a little bit better, but it looks really cute. Or certainly, like we were talking about in the phone, a long sleeve, like scoop neck, like fitted tank or fitted t-shirt with then of course leggings and boots or something. So that's what it looks like with a really long scarf. Now of course you can do other things as well. You could leave it a little bit longer. I'm sure they have other tutorials on different stuff. But then if you have a shorter scarf, I'll show you the one that I'm wearing today. Because normally that scarf I'd wear like a peach tank top or, so there are areas here and then this on the side where I doubled it up. So I've got this little piece here. Now because this scarf is a little bit smaller, I'm not going to tie those areas as big as I did before. Okay, so see how these are a lot shorter? I'm not going to tie them as big because I'm going to need a little bit more space, or a little bit more space for my armpits, and this scarf is a lot smaller. So my areas that I'm putting it in are going to be a lot shorter. So you can see here, okay, I tied that one in a knot, and now I want to tie this so that it doesn't come undone when I sit down or something like that, because naturally that would not be any fun. No wardrobe malfunctions. Let's see here, almost done. You're going to really like this one too, I think. So, but it gives you an idea on what you can do with the long ones and the short ones. And I'm sure you're probably going to play with it, and you'll find even one more thing you'll be able to do with it that I hadn't even thought of. Okay, so here we go. Here is the little jacket, so to speak. Put it on. Okay, so this one is a little bit smaller. And so I actually like the smaller ones just because it gives a little bit of a different look. But it just depends on what you're going for. And so, hold on, let's see here. Doing this backwards is like absolutely